In this video, I'm going to show you how to zip files and folders on Windows. So the first thing you want to do is to locate the file and folder you want to zip. For me, let's go to my desktop. I'm going to just zip this file. Now, if you want to zip the file, you have to right click on the file, scroll down to compress to, then choose zip file. Click on zip file, and a zipped version of the file will be created. As you can see, it's compressing. So what this does also is that it reduces the size of the file. It might take some time, so we just wait a bit and it will get it done. Alright guys, here you have it. This is the zipped version of our file. This is new order app. The initial version was this new order app. Now this is the zipped version. Now we can actually change the name if we want, or you can just put .zip, not necessarily, but you can do that. So we have new order app.zip, and it's that straightforward. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like, and share as well.